Hello to all my artsy friends. I want to know, do you consider pink to be a neutral? Well, that's up for debate, so comment your answer below. Today I have 3 pink Christmas crafts done right, and they're all made with Dollar Tree items. If you're not so into pink, these could easily be done in all white or any other color combo that you like for the holidays. I love a challenge, so let's get started with a sleigh made from foam core and craft sticks. Check out my fancy new miter shears. I'm so excited about them. I saw these on the Latina Next Door's channel and I knew I had to get a pair. You can cut thin wood and change the angle. I started by cutting some craft sticks at a 90-degree angle to make the sleigh rails. This video is part of the Fab 5 at 5. I was challenged by the crafting cousins to use craft sticks in one of my pink Christmas projects. And I challenged Crafted by Corey to use a wreath frame in one of her projects. All 5 of us will have an item that we're challenged with, and we're doing something pink in our Christmas projects. We've even got a giveaway going on, so stay tuned to the end to get all the details on how to enter. Now that we have the sleigh rails made out of my challenge item, I'm going to start working on the top part of the sleigh. I just freehanded the shape onto the foam core and then traced that piece to get the other side. I created the center pieces and then attached everything together with some hot glue. I attached the rails with a few more pieces of craft sticks, and then I painted the rails white and the rest of the sleigh pink. Now every sleigh needs a soft, fuzzy arm rail, so we are going to make one out of this Dollar Tree microfiber cloth. I found this in the automotive section. A lot of you guys had suggested this as the fur for my Pottery Barn reindeer project, and you guys were right. This is such a soft piece of fabric. I think it would be great in a lot of projects. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, thank you so much for being here. My name is Maria, and my passion is sharing ways to get creative in your home. I try to make my DIYs as simple and low cost as possible so you can be ultra inspired to make something beautiful. If you love home decor and you're as obsessed with Dollar Tree as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so then you'll know when I post my next DIYs. I wanted to add a little wreath to the side of my sleigh, so I cut some Dollar Tree florals up and put this little garland together. The Those little tiny berries or ornaments or whatever they are, they come in a really big bag and in lots of different color combinations over at Dollar Tree. Now I wanted this sleigh to be carrying a Christmas tree, and I thought I would take this little Dollar Tree miniature tree, which came in a pack of 2, and I painted it pink. Now give yourself some space when you're doing this painting here, because something about the combo of a foam brush and this spiky tree made pink paint fling everywhere. So just warning you, give yourself some space. I thought the white and silver ornaments would look cute, but I wanted a few sparkly seafoam green ones as well. So I painted a few that pastel shade and then stuck them in some fake snow and let them dry. You can find the wooden sticks and floral foam at Dollar Tree. It was a handy way to let them dry. I added a little glue and then pushed the ornaments into the now pink tree. And the final step for this sleigh is to decorate the inside. You could put whatever you want in here. Full-size ornaments, candy, florals, whatever your heart desires. What I ended up doing is putting a few pink florals in and a white boa from Dollar Tree, and I thought that was the perfect soft bedding for the pretty pink Christmas tree. So I'm not doing my whole house in pink decor for Christmas, but I will have one little spot probably in my home office where I will feature all of these decorations. Let's make some shabby chic candy cane ornaments next. I saw these at Dollar Tree. They have what look like M&Ms in there, but the label says chocolate lentils. I thought lentils were a type of bean. You'll also need this wired burlap ribbon. I wrapped the ribbon around the emptied candy cane, and don't worry about the top and the bottom until the end. I tried to wrap the ribbon evenly so that the wired edges were spaced somewhat equidistant apart. I picked up all these pink ribbons from Dollar Tree. You can find these near the florals. You could do these in any color combo that you like, but since we're going for a shabby chic today, I went with the simple pink satin ribbon. For extra adornment, I doubled up the pink satin ribbon with the off-white lace and created a bow, which I finished off with some garland. The final step is to add a little string to the top so that you can hang this on your Christmas tree or wherever else you want to hang it in your home. I pushed aside the pink ribbon and held it there with a wooden skewer while I added some glue. Then I laid down the string, and once that dried, I put the ribbon back over the string and it hid all that string and the glue. And here you have some elegant burlap candy canes. Let's Let's make a fluttery ombre Christmas tree next. I started by taking some poster board that I found at Dollar Tree and I cut a semicircle. I love that you can make this tree as big or as small as you want. Your cutting does not have to be perfect here because you will trim off any excess after forming the cone. I added a piece of packing tape to seal it up, and then I just trimmed the bottom to make sure that it was standing up straight. We'll be covering all of this up, so don't worry about how it looks at this stage. I had made this little block for a Thanksgiving DIY, and I'm going to be upcycling it as the base for our ombre Christmas tree. These come as unfinished wood cubes at Dollar Tree, and they're just a great size for all kinds of DIYs. I started by finding a drill bit around the same size as the wooden dowel. I went outside and gave that dowel and the cube a coat of white paint, and while the base was wet, I added some snow to it. Then I added a dollop of glue to secure that dowel in place. They have these boas in the kids' toys section at Dollar Tree, so I picked up a few in pink and white. They had several other colors, so you could do whatever color combination that you like. So I cut the feathers off the boa and started at the bottom of the cone. The hot glue dries really quickly, so I worked with just 1 or 2 feathers at a time. This is so messy. There were feather bits flying everywhere, and I had to do a serious vacuuming after this project was over. But hey, it wasn't as bad as the paint flinging cleanup from earlier. Now, to get that ombre effect, when I got to the middle, I slowly started adding just a few pink feathers. And then I transitioned to all pink towards the top. I added a lot of glue to the top of that dowel, and I placed the cone right on top and held it there until it was dry. And here we have an elegant, shabby chic, borderline glam Christmas tree. Make sure to subscribe if you want to know when my next Christmas video is going up. With the holidays coming up, a $50 Amazon gift card could come in handy, right? So we are going to make entering this giveaway super easy. Just leave a comment on each of the Fab Fives pink themed videos, and that's it. Now click that link in my description box so you can check out all of the Fab Fives videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.